All right, I'm Bryson Hilton with LeadExperiments.com, and we have literally helped hundreds and hundreds of social media marketing agencies get tons and tons of new customers literally on autopilot using our software. But we're going to delve in a little bit more now on how to help your customers with their own Facebook advertising. And there's something very, very critical, and it's called the Facebook Pixel, and it's going to make or break your customers' Facebook advertising efforts. So I'm sharing my screen here, and I'm logged in to Jennifer's account on Facebook. And as you can see, there's an ad here, and it's called Drip from Leadpages. Now, why is she seeing this ad? Well, it's because in her browsing history, at one point she went to this website called Drip by Leadpages. And if you actually look inside the code, you're going to see that there is a Facebook Pixel. And I'm going to show you how you can get the Facebook Pixel and how you can get it onto your customer's website. So if you log into facebook.com and you then go to facebook.com/ads/manager, it's going to open up this page, and you just click on your own account. Then you click on Ads Manager here, and you're going to click into All Tools. And then you're going to click here over in the Assets section. You're going to click on Pixels. And this is a brand new Facebook marketing account. So I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. So you just click on this button here, create a pixel. And you can name the pixel. Now you can only create one pixel per ad account. And so you're going to want to create a new advertising account for each customer that you bring aboard your social media marketing agency. So let's just call this, let's say we're doing this for a dentist, and let's say it's Joe's Dentistry Pixel. And we'll click Next. It says you've created your pixel. Now make it work by installing some code. Now this is the very critical component of this. You're going to need to copy and paste the code everywhere on every web page on your customer's website. So you click copy and install the code, and here's where you can just copy it literally right here. And then you're going to ask their developer, or if you're in charge of their website, you can go ahead yourself into their website and you put it in between the two header tags on the website. So for example, let's use Drip's website just as an example, and we can look at the page source here. And right in between the head tags is where you would actually put that Facebook Pixel. Now, once you have the Facebook Pixel installed, you can actually check the pixel status to make sure that it's on the page. So you just go to Facebook Ads Manager and select Pixels from the top menu, and if the status is active, then the pixel has been installed correctly. And then of course with Facebook, they've got this nifty thing right here where you can email all of the directions to the developer that's in charge of your customer's website. So once the pixel code is installed, you can actually now create retargeting ads. So we just come back here and we click on this button here in the top left corner, and you're going to click on Audiences, and you're going to create what's called a custom audience. Now that the pixel is installed, you're going to create some customer audiences, and I'm going to show you how to create those customer audiences using the Facebook Pixel, but I am also going to show you how to create some custom audiences using the contact information of current customers of your clients. So you're going to click into website traffic, and I would first start out just as a general rule, anyone who visits the website. And there's some more advanced strategies here, but we're just going to say anyone who visits the website, and we'll say all website visitors. And then we're going to create the audience, and now the audience is created. So whenever somebody comes to this website, they are now pixeled by Facebook. And what that means is you can now retarget just the people who went to this website with a Facebook ad. So let's show how to actually set up the ad. So we're going to come back here into the Ads Manager. We're going to go ahead and create a campaign. And what I highly recommend doing is create a conversions campaign. And for this particular one, we're going to do a, we'll call it website conversions. And the goal here typically is first to get their contact information, and then secondarily to get them to actually purchase something on the website. And I just kind of want to take a little bit of a, I want to digress here just for a second, because this is another critical component that most small business owners, dentists, doctors, lawyers, dentists, most of them do not have a way for their customers to buy from them online. And this can become a massive revenue source for them that you can open up to them using the Facebook Pixel. Because now somebody who visits the website, they're pixeled, they're getting retargeted with Facebook ads, and they're encouraged to go to, say, a landing page and put in their contact information. And then you can target them even more with more Facebook ads that actually encourage them to purchase something from the customer. So I'm going to go ahead and select a conversion event, and I'm going to say a lead. And this means I'm trying to get somebody to actually put in their contact information. And it's asking me to verify the Pixel because I haven't actually installed the Pixel yet on the site. But in your case, your Pixel will actually have already been installed. And so then you're going to create a custom audience here. And you can see I've already put in all website visitors. And I usually put everyone in the location for United States, and I do all 18 to 65 plus. And there's ways that you can get more advanced in your targeting, but that would be for another discussion. I just want to get you set up and going with retargeting. I just want to get you set up and going with retargeting people who have visited your customers' websites with Facebook ads. I recommend just starting out with a daily budget of $20 so you can start doing some testing. Called the ad set name, all website visitors, and then click continue. And then I recommend doing either some sort of carousel or some sort of single image ad to begin with. And this carousel allows you to put 2 or more scrollable images or videos into the ad. And what you can do is you can offer several of the company's different products. So say if it is a plumber and they have several different products, you can actually put those products into the carousel, and that way the customer can see all the different products and services that are offered. You're going to link it up to a Facebook page. This needs to be the Facebook page of the customer's business. The reason why you want to link it up to their page is so that you can start showing their ads in the news feed, and you're going to get the most traction by advertising the local business on people's news feed. The destination, I recommend putting it to a website URL where there is going to be a conversion event. So for example, with Lead Experiments, we drive a lot of our traffic to this page. And I'm going to show you some of the principles that are on this page. So you can see here, it has a value prop on the top, get 240 leads in 24 hours with only 5 minutes of work. There's a risk reversal, it says guaranteed. And then there's a big button that says get 240 leads in 24 hours, where they can then enter in their contact information. And then of course at the bottom here, there's social proof that helps provide evidence to support the value proposition that is at the top of the page. So again, for a dentist, a doctor, a lawyer, you're going to want some sort of value prop here, but then more importantly, have a way for somebody to enter in their contact information. So we'll go back to the Facebook Ads Manager here. So you're going to want to set this up. You'll want to drive them to the customer's website. And I'll just make this as an example here for lead experiments. There we go. And then it should have an example here. And then you just go ahead and place the order and it's done. And you're literally retargeting. Now you're going to be able to retarget any person who visits your customer website. They're going to be able to see their advertising on Facebook on their newsfeed. So my question to you is, how are you going to add this service for the small businesses that you currently serve? And more importantly, what types of ads are you going to be creating that's going to drive more traffic to their website so that they get more opt-ins, more contact information, and more people purchasing from them? So just answer the question below and I'll close out the session.